What the? All right. Good morning. Here in Manila, Philippines. I figured I'd show you a virtual walk. Not really, just a live stream morning walk. Let's go check it out. This is Barangay Bagumbayan here in Manila, Philippines. Right on my left is the San Roque Parish. And this place does get busy. It looks really busy around the afternoon times. But it's still morning. I'm gonna head over to, last night we went to Uncle John's. This night I'm gonna head over to Uncle John's. Jumping into the comments. What's up, Frankie? Yeah. So these are the real, I guess, lifestyle sites of barangay if you're ever here in Manila, Philippines. This barangay is actually very nice. It's very clean. It's very I guess community friendly, and it's nice. Jumping into the comments. Good morning, Joseph R from Manila, Philippines. I'll be dropping a new vlog tomorrow, Japan vlog tomorrow. That's my plan. It uploaded last night, so we're good. Here's a sari store. There's like every other house. It's like Japan. Every other block. Oh, jump in the comments again. What's up, George? Every other block there is a kombini. But in the Philippines, every other house has a sari store. I think one is better. Yeah, let's go to one. I do like one. When I film on the one lens, it's more stable. When I do 0.5, you get more of a fisheye look, but it's not as stable. Bring some San Mig back, please. I actually drank some San Mig last night. Let me check up the video. I'm gonna put it here, hold on. Yeah, this is me last night. I cooked some good stuff. Check it out.
Ooh. I'm counting on you.
Hey, take it out. There it is. Alright. So I had some San Mig last night. There's another sari store called Ariane Store. And some bed space that's available. This spot over here is actually very popular. Arby's. I think it used to be called MB, but now it's called Arby's. It's a bakery. You see all the foods? They have some foods there and some bread. This is Beef Republic. There's shawarmas and stuff. Let me see if I could go closer. Show you. Oh, look at this. This is eggs. They're closed at the moment. They open at 2. But look at all. This is all like eggs. Am I in the I'm in Metro Manila. I like Metro Manila. I'm in Pasig area, not Pasay. Pasay is a little bit more wild, I would say. But yeah, I'm in Metro Manila, Philippines. This is Ariscaldo Republic right here. There's some street foods they could get quick and all that. And more sari stores. This one's a Topsy Logan house. I had a tocino here the other week, I believe. And right here is like a school. You could hear this guy is already selling. I think it's scramble. I think it is scramble. Oh yeah, it is scramble. Yeah, and again, this place gets busier around the afternoon. It's morning time right now. I'm walking to Uncle John's, which I did last night. I ended it at Uncle John's last night. We're ending it again. And then this is elementary school. It's a pretty quiet morning, but not really quiet. It's still so lively. And also sometimes when I'm here, I trip out on all the cars. This was like, you could see like there's only one road that everyone parks here, but then there's like people and cars and motorcycles walking by. It's crazy. Hey, thanks George. Not too long ago, the area was completely flooded. Yes, that's right, because there was a typhoon. I actually think I came right after the typhoon from Japan. So, I mean, this area, I think it doesn't get flooded. They figured out a cool water system or drainage system here. All right, look at, they're drying their shoes up on the roof. That's cool. This is also a laundry shop, and then again another sorry store that sells goods, general merch. Maybe I'll walk all the way down, or actually I'll walk around this barangay and show you how it looks. I actually I have an ASMR virtual walk coming up for this place, so stay tuned. But maybe after Japan vlogs drop, all of the Japan vlogs. This is their like barangay hall that they have here. Up over here is a parking garage, but up above it there's a gym. And then look at this, they even have like a hand washing station. Yeah, there's a gym there. Like I think it's basketball and volleyball. I think the way up is this way. Let's go peep it. We're going under, so the connection might be bad. Quick peep. I don't know if you guys are still here with me, but it doesn't. Someone I mod for that house got flooded in that area. Ooh, hopefully they're good. But yeah. Do what you love. I love that logo, or that's the motto. And I love skateboarding, of course. It's a cool wall. Also, there's like, at nighttime, afternoon time, this little alleyway has really cool like calendarias. They're like a 1 choice, 2 choice, 3 choice type of thing, and it's I think now it's 70 pesos for one rice and ulam, which is like meat or dish. This alleyway over here, it takes me into Eastwood. As you saw earlier, yeah, as you saw earlier, you saw that like real Manila vibe looking barangay. Right when you leave this little area, right when I just passed through this, it just totally switches around and it becomes skyscrapers and like all these high-rise buildings, and like everyone's wearing business suits. Not really business suits, but like, you know, business attire, dressed up, you know, just like city life right over here. This is exactly what I was talking about. It's nice and breezy today. It's very beautiful weather. It's not hot. It's windy. The wind's cold. And yeah. So this is Eastwood City, guys. As you saw, we really just came from like rural Manila, and then now we're into like a BGC looking area. This is also called the better San Francisco, Eastwood City. Oh, I had to turn around. I passed over, but I do want to show you all this. I have to turn around actually, because Uncle John's is behind me. Because, yeah, like I was saying, we're just gonna go to Uncle John's, but I might go do another live stream. I was filming some vlogs yesterday, so And I also uploaded some Japan vlogs yesterday, so that's good. That's a good thing. Tomorrow I'll upload one. I'm thinking whether it's gonna be a foodie vlog for tomorrow to upload, or like, you know, like a event vlog for tomorrow. But yeah, we're here in Uncle John's again. Last night you guys saw me try to, I guess, get I forgot what it was, a wine. But yeah, we're here in Uncle John's. We're gonna end the stream. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Quick walk today. I'll catch you guys on the next one. My name's Mark. Peace. I'm out. Ooh, I love that weather wind.